Hey friends, we are going to play with some sounds in words again. So just like yesterday, I'm going to show you the sounds and then you are going to repeat after me and we can use our hands to play along. So we're going to start with some rhyming pairs. Ready? I'll go first. Quack, pack. Now it's your turn. Quack, pack. Sun, bun. Now it's your turn. Sun, bun. Chick, stick. Now it's your turn. Chick, stick. Job, knob. Now it's your turn. Job, knob. Sat, cat. Now it's your turn. Sat, cat. Great work. Now we're going to play with some beginning sounds. All right, we're going to say the word and then make the beginning sound go longer. Ready? Our first word is go. G, g, go. Your turn. G, g, go. Next is hat. Ready? Hat. Hat. Next is van. Van. Now it's your turn. Van. Next is kid. Ready? K, k, kid. Now it's your turn. K, k, kid. Next we have rock. Ready? Rock. Now it's your turn. Rock. Nice work. All right. We are going to put some words together to make new words. Ready? Up, stairs, upstairs. Now it's your turn. Up, stairs, upstairs. Hot dog, hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog. Mail, box, mailbox. Now it's your turn. Mail, box, mailbox. Fire, fly, firefly. Fire, fly, firefly. All right, here's our last one. Ready? Back, pack, backpack. Now it's your turn. Back, pack, backpack. Nice work. Now we're going to play with some ending sounds. All right, I'll go first. Ready? Our first word is nod. Nod, d. Now it's your turn. Nod, d. Next is hat. Ready? Hat, t. Hat, t. Next is luck. Ready? Luck, k. Luck, k. Next is rip. Ready? Rip, p. Rip, p. And next is bag. Ready? Bag, g. Bag, g. All right. Next, we're going to take some words apart. Ready? Outside, outside. Outside, outside. Birdhouse, birdhouse. Birdhouse, birdhouse. Goldfish, goldfish. Goldfish, goldfish. Football, football. Football, football. Ready? Here's our last word. Birthday, birthday. Now it's your turn. Birthday, birthday. Nice work. What do you think, Onyx? How are we doing? We doing good? Good. All right. We're going to add some words to make new words. Ready? Gold, add fish. What do you get? Goldfish. Gold, add fish. What do you get? Goldfish. Star, add fish. What do you get? Starfish. Star, add fish. What do you get? Starfish. Shell, add fish. What do you get? Shellfish. Shell, add fish. What do you get? Shellfish. All right, now we're going to take some words away. Ready? All right, we have doorbell without bell. What's left? Door. Doorbell without bell. What's left? Door. Doorknob without knob. What's left? Door. Doorknob without knob. What's left? Door. Doorway without way. What's left? Door. Doorway without way. What's left? Door. Great work. All right, get your spiders ready. Today we are going to get to sing our Itsy Bitsy Spider song together again. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Thanks, Rick. We're going to sing it again so we can all do it together. All right, get your spiders. Let me see those little spiders. All right, ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Nice work. All right, this was so much fun, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.